Hi, it's Erik Rodgers, Giroud Tree and Lawn. I'm here in Bensalem with a large fallen maple tree across a driveway and a parking lot. We will be coming in, cleaning this up to open up the parking lot and the driveway. As you can see, we'll be using a large crane, wood loading crane, to take care of this fallen maple tree. As you can see, it completely just ripped out of the ground last night in the high winds. And this is the root ball. As you can see, the roots just tore off. And there's a big mess. This root ball is probably about 7 feet tall.